Good afternoon everyone. Today we will see little bit about the transpiration. So what is transpiration? Transpiration is process of water movement through a plant and its evaporation from aerial parts, especially from leaves, but also from stems and flowers is called as transpiration. We know that absorption of water by the plant taking place 24 hours. It's a continuous process and a large amount of water is absorbed by the plant, but that all amount of water is not necessary for the plant. The water which is required by the plant body for the activity, it is utilized, and remaining excess water which is present within the plant body, it is evaporated in the form of water vapors through the aerial part of the plant, and that process is known as transpiration. So transpiration is it is a process in which excess water which is present within the plant body get evaporated outside through the aerial part of the plant body. Okay, now look at this. Here water is absorbed by the roots continuously. Now this water reaches up to the each and every part of the plant body, and through the trunk it reaches up to the leaves, and then from the leaves the evaporation of that excess water is taking place, means transpiration is taking place. Okay, now types of transpiration. So generally transpiration is taking place through the leaves. Large amount of water get evaporated in the form of water vapors through the leaves. Okay, but there are three main types of transpiration. First is the cuticular transpiration, second one is the lenticular transpiration, and third one is the stomatal transpiration. So first we will see about the cuticular transpiration. So what is cuticle? Cuticle is a waxy coating or wax-like substance which is present on the upper surface of the leaves. So here, when the loss of water in the form of water vapors through the cuticle is known as cuticular transpiration. But the cuticular transpiration, rate of cuticular transpiration is very less. It is negligible. Okay. Now second one, that is the lenticular transpiration. So lenticels are the small cells or lenticels are the small pores which are present on the woody stem or the fruits. The loss of water in the form of water vapors taking place through the lenticels present in woody stem and fruits is called as lenticular transpiration. And the amount of lenticular transpiration is 1 to 5% of the total water loss by the plant. Now third one is the lenticels. Look at this. These are the lenticels, or this is the lenticel through which water gets evaporated. Now third type of transpiration is stomatal transpiration. That is stomatal transpiration. So what is stomatal transpiration? The definition is the loss of water takes place through the stomata is called as stomatal transpiration. But what are stomata? Stomata are minute pores which are present on the epidermis of the green leaves. And opening of and closing of the stomata, they are controlled by the guard cell. When you see the structure of the stomata, then each stomata is having two kidney shape or dumbbell shaped guard cells which are surrounded by subsidiary cells, and these two kidney shaped guard cells internally having a pore, and that is known as a stomatal pore. Now when these two guard cells they get stretched, then automatically stomatal pore get open and evaporation or water get evaporated from the leaves to the outside, and when they get relaxed, then stomatal pore get closed. So this is the stomatal transpiration, and among these three transpiration, stomatal transpiration means maximum loss of water from the plant tissues takes place through the stomatal openings or through the stomata, and it is about 80 to 90% of the total water loss. So this is transpiration. Look at this here. Transverse section of leaf is clearly seen. Here stomata, guard cells, they are present, and then cuticle is present. Then stomatal evaporation is taking place through the stomata, and cuticular evaporation is taking place through the cuticle. Here there are stomata, they are clearly seen. Two guard cell, kidney shaped guard cells, which is internally having a stomatal pore, and these guard cells, they are surrounded by the subsidiary cells. So this is the structure of the stomata. Thank you.